God. Okay, so why I'm more concerned about this level is this on-field imbalance, right? Because I've had several experiences where I I took trade like this, like incomplete incomplete pullback or incomplete move, you know, and price just gave me, because this is a daily time frame, right? Price gave me a little drop like this, then boom. And after that, we saw the huge drop. And I was like, what is wrong with you? What I was asking myself, what is wrong with me? You know? So that's happened to me one, two, like three times. I told myself, this is the same thing. This is the same thing that made you to, that took you out last time. So why are you repeating
Mm-hmm.
it again? So that's why I am more concerned about this zone. Because why is this is look at this imbalance here, this level, these candles. Okay, price might tap here and then give us the main drop. This drop is just learning. This drop is just this drop. This particular drop is just a sell trap. It's a sell trap for me. Because look at here. Here, sorry. This particular level, this particular level here is a kind of another key support and resistance, right? So except it comes back here, broke here, then give us pullback, it's going to drop. But if it continues to stay here, it can just actually do like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then if it remains here for a long time, then get ready for a sell. Yeah, this is just it. This is just it. So to sum it or to just summarize this, so that we'll go over to another one is keep an eye on this level 2625. Okay, for you to sell, wait for, sorry, oh God, for you to sell, make sure you wait, because waiting will save you a lot of stress. Just wait and see if price can actually break here. So if it breaks here, you still have an opportunity to wait for that pullback. Maybe the pullback might just come down here and then drop. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Sorry, let me use this. Wait for price at this level to break this level, then it can give you a little pullback. Boom, because we still have all this. Gold gives a lot of pips, right? Gold is only this can make you good money, right? So why are you rushing to enter at this level? Wait for the break of this zone and price close up below this zone for you to sell. And then if you don't see that, then you wait and see what will happen. If we see it, if price opens tomorrow, if we see price heading to this zone, just keep calm and watch this zone. All right. So watch this zone. Our bias is sell. At least for this week, our bias is sell. But maybe it might start with a buy tomorrow being Monday, and you will think that you are buying, and then you get trapped here, giving you a bull trap. So the only reason you are going to considering buy is when it breaks above here. But so long as you are still here, keep an just you are going to make good money here for a sale. So just here, you
That's a
see that
support zone, right?
this is resistance.
Resistance. Okay.
Resistance. So if it remains here, sell is either it sells from here or We wait for break below here, pull back, and then you catch this. So yeah, so that is that on gold for now. And again,
Okay.
you just for the buy, long term buy, we'll just keep an eye on this level also, and also on this level. Yeah, these levels. So these are the levels we are looking for. But for this week, I am just looking for sell. And again, in correlation to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is is looking like it wants to buy. So that's also another reason why I'm considering a sell on gold. So we don't know. I think is this week that Trump will be sworn in?
Yeah,
Alex,
it's this week.
this
Yeah, it's
week,
this
right?
week. Yeah.
Ah,
Is it this week?
Wait, today's what?
I thought
today
it's
is
like
today is
20th,
fifth. Ah,
20th
because
of
Yeah, it
this
should be
month.
this week, I think.
Alex, you are in US now, so what's you should know. I think they say January, but I don't know the particular date in January. You know, victory. You know.
Yeah.
I had 20th of this month, but I don't know how true.
Okay, Alex, you should know. You are in the States, so because anytime Trump is
It's
going,
20th.
anytime 20th, so we
Yeah.
still have much time. So just keep an eye. Is what's good, what's correlation with Bitcoin. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for. Go to sell. Think go to currency GPP, JPY. Um, GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY. We're out. JPY, GBJP. Okay, so what has been happening here? Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, okay, okay. So GBP, JPY weekly, we have been on, we have been dropping, we have been dropping since last week of December 2024 that year. And now this first week in January, price has still been dropping. Okay, so let me just delete all this. Boom. And knock out these nine supports, supports. Top down. Okay, very simple. Hmm. And yeah, so let me just use Fibonacci and see what is happening. Are we on the 50%? You have not even reached the 50%. So at this point, where GBP is a crucial point, honestly. That's why it took me out last week, Friday, because the year is just still starting. Market hasn't fully formed, made its formation. So that's why we have been seeing, uh, we saw this kind of crazy move. But here, I have much conviction for buy on GPP JPY, right? So yeah, because price is trading weekly. So weekly, boom. So this was the last. Look at this candle. Last weekly low. So and at this point on the weekly is a demand zone. Number one is a demand zone. It's also a key level. You see. It's also a key level. All right. So it's also a key level. So my eyes is on this weekly. So since price did not break here, I'm looking for a buy. And again, this year, price opened above. Price opened above. So there is one strategy I just learned. Okay, so you just take a look at what is going to happen the beginning of the year. If price opens above and trades above, like now, just wait for. Okay, if price opens above, we are looking for buys, you know, throughout. If price opens, but it works, but it doesn't work like completely using it like that. You can also use your own other conferences, other technical analysis to analyze it, right? So, or let's say monthly price opened above, the candlestick opened above, you're looking for buy throughout that month. So sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. So that's why. But okay, so but from what I am seeing, I am on the buying side on GBP, JPY. All right. So here, look at this shit. Just get out, man. For GP, JPY, I'm on the buying side. I am on the buying side. Why did I say so? Price rejected off of this zone. So look at this trend line. Look at this trend line. This is another one, small trend line. This black. The daily time frame now is also bullish. So on the weekly, price rejected off of this, is rejecting off of this zone. Okay, which means that the buyers are active now, have come into the market. And again, like I said, structure, liquidity, demand, and supply. Just a simple strategy which I use. This is the target, which is the money. Now we are like trying to get our demand and supply zone, right? So because here is a key level and price trading above this key level is also a sign that price wants to buy. So here was the last demand level that price created. Now price has tapped into this demand zone. So I'm looking at this level, which is the next target. Boom. So this is my structure level, and this is the last high. Let's just put it this way. Color this black. So yeah, we are going to be looking for a buy on GBP JPY. So, but if price, because we trading is probability, so you have to make analysis on both sides, but you have your probability. Like you have your bias. Your bias should have more. You should risk more on your bias than the other. So, but if it happens opposite, that means you are no longer trading. Then that is done for the week or for the day. So here, I'm looking at price to, let's say, maybe give a little pullback here from support to go high. Because I think I am seeing here, because I am seeing this little circular move. Why price did some little
Sorry if I'm
accumulation.
so quiet. I am paying attention. It's just that I'm eating right now.
You're doing what you're eating. Okay. Okay, no problem. So, boom. So here, this was the accumulation. When price drops after a long term selling, you need to just pay attention to what is happening. So price did this consolidation like for a whole day. think that was on Thursday and Friday. So on a Friday, last hour price broke above here. So breaking above here means that the buyers now dominated the market, right? So here we can see accumulation, consolidation, whatever you call it. Boom, retest, boom. All right. So here it's trying to make a little pullback to this zone to continue. All right, price make down here. Because here, look at this imbalance. It's a target. This imbalance is also a target plus this double top. It's also a liquidity. Yeah. So that's what I am looking. That's what I'm looking for on GBP JPY. So yeah. And the only reason why I'm going to look for a sell is when maybe let's say price makes a move and breaks below and closes below this level. Okay, if it closes below this level, then we are going to be looking for a sell. But for this moment, we are much more on the buying side. We are much more on the buying side for GBP JPY. We are much more on the buying side. Much more on the buying side. GBP JPY. So here we go. So there's nothing much more I'm going to analyze on GBP JPY. It's just this and we are done. Just boom, target this, colors. So yeah, that's all I've got for GBP JPY. And I think GBP USD. Um, GBP USD. Okay, I think GBP USD, looking at it, is like it's on a downtrend. It's still trending down, like it's going to sell, but based on um, 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 yeah, BPJPY, GBP USD is much more like selling, but I don't think for this week is going to sell. Right? But I don't think this week is going to sell because price now is currently on a key level. Price now is currently on a key level, but this force from the sales is very, very much okay. But overall, price is still bearish on GBP USD. GBP USD price is much more selling. So, but this move is actually a move that price tapped into a demand zone and boom is trying to like make a little pull back, then to continue. So I feel like price will need to make this move and tap into this supply zone, then give us that drop down to this level. Sorry. So but yeah, but overall on GBP USD, I think we still have some sell bias, like prices. You can see this trend line that I just draw here is price is trending down, so we are looking for sell sell opportunity right here. Sell opportunity. Go to 1 hour, 1 hour time frame and see what happened. Yeah, I just want to see price react off of this zone, then give us another drop, or maybe it may not go up to this level. It may just come down here because I see a supply level here. Okay, or fair value gap for people who trade SMC. Boom and drop. Yeah, because this, why the I, again, another reason I say so, just take a look at this. This was a key support level, right? Look at first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, fifth touch, finally broke it. Okay, so we want to see this pull back. Boom. Remember, on a downtrend, higher low, higher lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, just like that. So that's why I'm looking for a sell on BUSD, and also looking at DSY, the dollar index. Yeah, the dollar index is also very bullish. So when the dollar index is buying, GBP USD is selling. When the dollar index is selling, GBP USD is buying. So this is a kind of like pullback that the dollar index wants to make. So which is that buy on GBP USD, maybe down to this demand zone and continue to buy. All right, continue to buy, and then GBP USD continue to sell. That's just it. That's just all I can see here. The Euro USD is the same thing, guys. The Euro USD and GBP USD correlate with the dollar index. They correlate with the dollar index. Overall, price has been very, 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 very bearish. Very, very bearish. Very, very bearish. So weekly, stay bearish. So yeah, you can see that this level, which was a key level, was broken. And here is another target where GBP Euro USD is coming to. So we want to see this pullback, boom, maybe react here, boom, down. So this weekly time frame, we are seeing that. Daily time frame, we are seeing that pullback. See that pullback. Yeah, so this is a pullback or retracement, whatever you call it. And I'm not minding these buys here. 4 hours is still buying, no problem. So right here, you can see what is happening. Price consolidated a little bit, broke out of this consolidation. So we want to see what is going to happen at this level. Then drop. So GBP, USD, Euro USD, bias is still sell. Bias is still sell on these two pairs, GBP USD, Euro USD sell. I think also gold is also looking for sell. I'm also looking for sell too on gold, Euro USD and GBP USD. So yeah, that's all I got here on this one. Boom, looking for sell, sell. So you have any other one on your mind? Victory, Alex.
The one I was actually gonna ask you about, if you could take a look at,
Mm,
is actually Euro USD. So I'm actually pretty okay for now. Because the ones that I'm looking at right now for the challenge
Mm,
are GBP, JPY, Euro
okay,
USD, and gold. So you honestly
okay.
you went through all of the charts that I'm looking at right now. So I
Mm,
have no questions at the moment.
mm,
But if anything, if I ever have question, I'll let you know. I'll hit you up.
okay. Uh,
Yeah, because
so
whenever you like analyze the charts and you explain it, it's always really thorough. So most of the times I really don't have any questions because you go through the charts properly. So it's just there's
yeah,
not much for me to ask. But
nothing to add.
when in doubt, when if
Yeah,
I do have a question, I will ask.
no problem. So yeah, so I do take my time to analyze it. So the only reason where we are looking for buy on Euro USD is price breaks
If it breaks
above
past
this
that.
level. Yeah,
Yeah.
finish. So when we break here, it's going to pull back again down. So yeah. So but if it doesn't break here,
Hmm.
we are still selling. If it comes here and stay here, it might give you a drop. So it's just for you to just train your eye to always watch and see what is happening, you know.
Yeah.
So
Keep an eye for like
yeah,
any kind of movements, any
the movement,
patterns
the
or
patterns you see.
retests and whatnot, right?
Mm,
Honestly, what I probably still struggle with to this day is probably the liquidities. Liquidities are
liquidity.
always what gets me.
Yeah, this is liquidity right here now. Okay, this is liquidity. Yeah, this is liquidity. This is another one. This is liquidity also. You're looking for
Hmm.
these peak highs and peak lows. Look at what happens, right? Whenever price makes this, it will take out this. This already is liquidity. This already. No matter okay, price is going up. Okay,
Okay.
at the point, if price is coming down again, definitely once it start coming down, it's coming down for this one, two. Okay, it's coming down because of
Unfulfilled
them.
gaps, right?
Yeah, because a lot of people have set their buy limit here,
Hmm.
and once they set their buy limit here, they, price if the sellers dominate the buyers, it will just take this out, continue, take it out, continue, right? So except the buyers okay now comes in, you know, to change the structure, price will now continue. So as price has created this, look at we came from buy, price kept least liquidity. Now
Hmm.
it's selling again. This this has become the next liquidity target. Let me show you. This has become this has become the next target. This has become the next target. Because as you're trading, you have a little knowledge. Some other people around the world does not have the knowledge. They're just trading to trade. So price gives this liquidity, peak highs, peak lows, peak highs, peak lows. Leaving these dots here, this is what liquidity. This is liquidity, this is liquidity. Look at it started here, came back. Once it start returning back, it's coming for this purpose. Now prices want to make reversal to go. Now where is it targeting? It's targeting here. It's
The
targeting
previous
here.
highs. Yeah.
It's targeting here. Okay. So liquidity can be double double bottom or double top or even I think triple top also or peak highs, peak lows, which is this higher highs
Hmm.
and higher lows. Yeah. So that is it. So you see now, like I told you, if price breaks here, once price breaks here, liquidity is just like where is my target? Where am I targeting? Where is this price going? Price is moving now. Okay. What is liquidity? Liquidity is where is my next target? All right. So your next target is this, this. It is the liquidity. So yeah, don't wanna talk much on that. I think this time is also exhausted. Boom. Here is the liquidity. Here is the liquidity. Here is the liquidity. This is our next target, next target, next target, and the next target here. Because money is here, money is here, money is here, money is here. So, so guys, that's all I have for this week. So since I've started this year, so I will continue doing this weekly analysis. So that's a promise I've made, and I will be doing that. I think hopefully continuously till this year ends. So just God give me the grace and the strength. So yeah. So maybe one of these Sundays, you guys might help me to analyze also. So as we go, as we progress.
Yeah, no
Yeah,
problem. I feel like as if anything, as I get more confident with analyzing and whatnot, I'll
yeah,
probably like even present my own theories and my own ideas.
yeah. Maybe one of these Sundays, just since you are available, or maybe anybody who is available, I can just tell, okay, what do you see? Can we see your charts? What are you
Yeah.
looking at? Something like that. What do you have in mind? What do you have to say? Like, bring your own opinion, bring your own idea. We dissect it and see how it goes. That's the fun. So US
Yeah, I'm
30.
down. I'm down for that.
Yeah. So for US
I'm definitely
30,
open to that.
okay, no problem. So I think my time is already exhausted. But for those who trade indices, US 30, NASDAQ, there is nothing changing. Only look for a buy. Okay. US
Okay.
30, XPS, NASDAQ. You see, this one I did not clean my chart. Okay, I'm just looking for buy all the way. So US Nasdaq and the SPS, they are designed to buy. All right. So that is one thing you will understand about these indices. So look at this year. Last year, I think that was last year when last year 2024. So price opened here. Since then it did not
Hmm.
drop all the way up. Same thing this year. We are also looking for buys all the way up. Okay. So yeah. Anytime you see indices like in Nasdaq trading, selling, just make a trend line on a daily. Okay. And wait for
Okay.
that candlestick to break. The bullish candlestick that breaks, just mark like this, push a little bit. Boom. Here will be your demand. Anytime price comes back to tap into that zone, is gone. So I